What's up, Rad Potential YouTube? It's a lovely, snowy February morning at the Rad Ranch in Tennessee. And let me tell you, it doesn't snow in Tennessee. So I'm surprised that there's a little bit of snow on the ground. So, I'm not really going to start working on stuff right now because I'm getting ready to go to work, but I figured I'd walk out here and take some videos of the ranch in the snow just so I could have some for posterity, we'll say, just for so I can see it. Jumps look sick in the snow. Go for a little walk down the driveway. So we got 2.5 inches of rain this week, which is brutal on my driveway because there's a culvert right here from that dark spot to that side where my ditch runs to. Well, it's all clogged up because it's only like, it was there when I bought the house. It's like a 6-inch, so not enough capacity, but picking up some new ones today. Put a new 10-inch under there. I'll replace the one down at the bottom of the drive too. I think I'm going to put two 10s down there next to each other. I don't want to have to build a big hump to go over them, so if I put 2 10s, it's a lot less of a hump to have to go over. But look at that. The new parking area looking nice. Been driving the Jeep every day. If you're super spotty, you can see the dog in the window. Heck yeah. So Calvin will be here today when I get home from work, and we are gonna start working on the white rally car, the Millen car, the Millen tribute car. Whoa, V8 exhaust leaks for days. So we're gonna start working on that car. Hopefully get it the dents pulled out of it and get it looking sick. So see you after work with Calvin in the shop. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, it's a new day. It's actually the next day, but I filmed, no, yesterday, 2 days, whatever. It's the day after all the snow's melted. Calvin's here. We were, doing our morning shooting, picking around with the 22s on the little shooting range over there. The dog doesn't know where you throw her toy. So we're gonna go ahead and pull some dents on this bad rally car in here. Say dents, I'm just trying to make it a little bit better. It ain't gonna be perfect and straight and show car quality. Or well, I guess I've always had this motto, or at least heard it somewhere. I did not come up with this, but I've heard it somewhere. Not all show cars are race cars, but all race cars are show cars. So, show car in all of its glory. So the big things, which I'll show you, Calvin will do too. We are going to pull that dent out. We got the body line to fix there. And then we got to pull this dent out. And if you notice, the whole strip rail here is all down as well. We noticed that last night. So that's what it's supposed to look like. That's what it needs to look like, or it doesn't need to look like. So we're just going to have to start pulling and hammering and pulling and hammering and peeling all this crappy bodywork off, and it's gonna be fun. See what we can get done. So probably start there, and then I'll start here cleaning this shit off. Whoop-de-doo. So pretty excited. I got a couple brake lines to pull in here yet as well. Just this chassis line, start pulling stuff off the firewall, so I'll probably work on that after cleaning that up. So we're going to get some paint on this rig. It's going to be nice. So what do you think? Doable? It doesn't have to be as nice as the truck.
Yeah.
This is not Charles Rotary truck quality bodywork here. This is race car bodywork.
Straight.
Ish.
Yeah. Maybe. Another hole. Making some Swiss cheese here.
It's alright, we got a welder. We can put holes, fill holes back up. Alright, well, while he's doing that, I stripped off, basically tearing apart this whole glove box area. Gonna rip all this old wiring out, basically all the extra wiring out, and then I'm gonna build an aluminum plate that goes over the glove box, and we'll put switches and the main power and all that stuff in that, just to clean it up. Let's keep going. Luckily this one, when I built my yellow car, it was a lot more hacked up than this. Just kind of with hack job wiring stuff going on and weird things. It had fuel injection and all this other stuff. It was a little crazy done, so much simpler now.
Can we like shave that off? Like
Yeah.
cut the side and flatten it and then weld it back together so it's strong?
Sure.
Because then it'll fit my... there's like a diagonal brace in here.
Yeah, what if I just cut that shorter?
No, this is too big. I need the up.
Okay. I made a custom pry bar, so now we're gonna even more custom it.
Yeah, just cut it here and cut a little bit out of it.
Yeah, just hammer it down.
Yeah, and then weld it back.
I mean, I'm just gonna let the split happen. It'll go over, and I'll just it'll be.
Yeah.
I got this.
It's right where I need it to be. Cut the end of this off. Like 5 inches off the end of it.
5 inches, you say?
5 inches. 4 7/8. So, trying to pull this dent out or push, it was pretty bent and had a lot of pressure on it. I was afraid if I tried to pull it, I would just tear a bunch of holes. So I actually got underneath the pry bar from underneath and pried this up and beat this in, and then that still drops down here like it does on this side where it drops down. So now I'm just trying to pull this right here out so I can relieve the pressure here, and then I'll tap this high spot down and push that back here some too. Eric's making me a pry bar so I can get in here. It's kind of a tricky spot.
Exactly 4 7/8 shorter, sir.
Okay.
With my well-calibrated ichrometer, aka I guessed.
You got pliers? There should be one on the ground back here somewhere.
The ones you were cutting with? Just set them somewhere. You might need them again. Hey, our pry bar is killing it.
It's like paintless dent repair, but it's already got paint off of it.
Yeah.
You know what the bad part is?
What?
I can't do this stuff when there's paint on it. I can't see where I'm pushing.
Just the color makes it hard to see, or?
Just trying to get the right glare on it so you can see where you're pushing. Because you got to like stay back and look down the side, and then you can see where you're pushing without putting a dent in it like that. Maybe I just needed this custom pry bar to be able to do it.
Hey, they don't make that in the store. If I can find the video of when this car hit the tree and then the branch fell and made this dent, I'll put it in right after this. Calvin and the dog. Alright, so it's lunchtime, maybe a little after, and we're gonna get cleaned up, eat some food, and head over to Charles' house. And then tonight we're going on a little rotary cruise, so I'm probably gonna make that a separate video. But thanks for tuning in for Fixing Dents with Calvin again, and we'll see you next time. Peace. What's up, guys? Getting ready to go to dinner. Gonna cruise out in the rotary cars. Truck, Sheba, red truck. We refinished the wheels on the blue truck and it looks sick. And also, because we came here going like we're gonna go to dinner, if you can hear me because of the wind, I was all dressed up wearing my nice clothes. Of course, we decided to do work, and now I'm dirty, as usual. But the truck looks good. Comment below if you know what wheels those are. They still do make them. You can buy them new, even though these are OGs. And or what car they were on that was famous. So good. Alright, let's roll out.